Hello everyone, today we will solve some double integral examples, so let's start. Double integral from 1 to 3 and from 2 to 6 of 3x squared minus 4y dx dy. To solve a double integral first, we start by the inner one and we integrate with respect to x, so the answer will be integral from 1 to 3 of 3x cubed over 3 minus 4xy dy from 2 to 6. Next step is to replace x by the boundaries 2 and 6, so integral from 1 to 3 of 208 minus 16y dy. Now we solve the second integral, so the answer is 208y minus 8y squared from 1 to 3 equals 624 minus 72 minus 208 plus 8. And the final answer is 352. Let's take another example. Double integral from 2 to 3 and from 1 to 5 of 2x power 4 times y plus 3xy squared dx dy equal integral from 2 to 3 of 2 over 5 times x power 5y plus 3 over 2 times x squared dy from 1 to 5. Now let's replace it by the boundaries. Equal integral from 2 to 3 of 6,248 over 5 times y plus 36y squared dy. Next, let's do the second integral. Equal 6,248 over 10 times y squared plus 12y cubed from 2 to 3. Next, we solve to get the final answer equal 3,352. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.